Hey there! 4. Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3 Stable Diffusion, XL, and Palm 2 in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, the artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken the world by storm, and marketers and business owners around the globe are now totally dependent on the world's leading AIs for their marketing and business growth. Wondering why? Well, that's simply because the world's top leading AI apps produces top-notch AI content, like AI images, graphics, videos, sales copies, and so much more just with a single keyword. And it is billions of times more intelligent and faster than humans. And the best part? These top AI apps let you skip all the hassles of creating world-class AI contents by yourself, while saving you time. In other words, the world's top leading AI apps is the new game changer in the online industry. But here is the problem. These world's best AI app collections is not free. It comes at a premium price. Top AI companies like ChatGPT 4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo.ai, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3, Stable Diffusion XL, and Palm 2 are no joke when it comes to monthly pricing. It will leave you feeling like you just got hit by a financial tsunami. Let's face it, these top-tier AI apps don't come cheap. ChatGPT 4 charges a whopping $29 monthly for its AI contents. Google's super advanced AI, Gemini Pro, charges $33 monthly. OpenAI's DALL-E 3 charges $49 monthly for creating 3D artistic AI images and paintings. Leonardo AI charges $54 monthly for creating world-class AI art, images, and videos. And Microsoft's leading AI Copilot Pro charges $79 monthly for writing programming codes. And Meta's most advanced AI, Llama 3, charges $35 monthly for translating and answering complex questions. And Stable Diffusion XL AI charges $89 monthly for transforming text into stunning images and realistic portraits. And finally, Google's revolutionary AI Palm 2 is priced at $97 a month for developing powerful AI tools and apps. Well, altogether, these world's leading AI apps add up to a grand total of $12,117 annually, while leaving your wallet feeling empty. But what if there was a better way? Where you get access to all these world's leading most advanced AI apps in a single dashboard without spending a dime? Introducing OneAi, a never-seen